Here's our quick guide to Trinity Hill Local Nature Reserve. As you follow the trail, you may see linnet, Dartford warbler, butterflies, moths, lizards, adder and deer.
We've got gorse and heathers, and lots of grasses which make up this habitat, which is rarer than the rainforest. So on the site we've got these two areas which have been scraped away to remove some of the nutrients to release the seeds of bell heather. So this plant, the seeds can stay in the soil for up to 50 years, and you can see on this scrape here we're starting to get some of that heather, those Heathland plants coming back.
Each year we're helped by our 5 Exmoor ponies, who munch their way through the grass and bracken to restore the heathland habitat. Stunning views over Axminster and the Axe Valley. Extend your visit by exploring the Forestry Commission woodlands or following other paths into the wider countryside, heading towards Uplyme and Lyme Regis or Axminster.
Come here at night, you might also see a glimpse of nightjars, which are a ground nesting bird that fly back here from Africa in the spring, and we've got 5 breeding pairs in 2018. It's a real success story.
So come and visit Trinity Hill Local Nature Reserve.
Find out more information online at wildeastdevon.co.uk.